Faith is at the core of everything we do. The deeper purpose of Scecina is introducing every student to the gospel of Jesus Christ and to develop a belief in every student that God knows and loves him or her.
One of the things that I really love about teaching at a Catholic school is the opportunity to pray with our students.
We start and end every day with a prayer, and for clubs and sports, we pray before every meeting and practice and game.
I think a huge role of faith is being able to model what a good Christian young man looks like, and our coaching staff is able to do that.
Our theology classes go a lot into the moral and ethics and stuff like that, which I thought was really interesting.
The retreat program here at Scecina is a crucial part of our spiritual growth and identity as a school.
And I really enjoy our school masses here at Scecina.
Your classmates are helping out in the mass, and it's really nice to grow in your faith and get closer to God.
It's just a special bond not many other schools can do.
When we are helping students reach their potential through faith and academics, that's when we can help them to become who God wanted them to be.